How to set a password on a Word document. Have you ever had the need to protect Word from unauthorized use because it contains something confidential? If the answer is yes, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it. Okay, first of all, you need to find the document you want. Once you have found it, you need to click on the File section located in the top menu. A list of various options will open here. However, we need the one called Info. When we click on it, we can notice that one of the first options is Protect Document. If we click on this option, a window will appear in which we can choose how we want to protect our document. The option we will use is Encrypt with Password. A window will appear in which you need to enter the password you want. Also, when you confirm, you need to enter the password one more time. After that, you can test whether the changes work. Close Word and reopen the document you want. As you can see, the content will be hidden until we enter the password. And that's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.